Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know what a marketing funnel is and how that can help your business. Well, keep watching because I'm going to cover that in this video. Now, I want to assume something here, and I'm going to assume that because you're looking for a video like this, you're a coach, a consultant, a business owner, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to start a business. Now, if that sounds like you, then this channel is the right channel for you. I've got hundreds of videos on getting and keeping customers and funding businesses. So while you're here, very quickly, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. That will let you know all the new content that I produce each and every week. Now, quickly, why should you listen to me? Well, my name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business for 17 years now. And in that time, I've had lots of ups, lots of downs, and learned lots of stuff along the way. And I mentor business owners like you on how to grow a business. Now, what I've found out and developed during that time is something called my business accelerator methodology. And that's a proven system that I've been using for years now to generate thousands of leads on demand and turn them into buyers. Now, over the last few years, I've been teaching hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you to do the same. And they've gone on to generate many hundreds of millions of pounds in sales in their businesses. All types of people, e-commerce stores, coaches, consultants, estate agents, plumbers, you name it, we've worked with nearly every type of business. And so this channel is going to be really, really useful for you to find out how to do the same in your business too. So let's talk about a marketing funnel. And firstly, why do you need a marketing funnel? Well, in a recent video that I made, I was talking about websites and why websites aren't really needed anymore. It's not essential that you have a website in your business, because a website, while they can look great and give people confidence, and I'm not saying you shouldn't have a website, I'm just saying it's not essential. A website, when you get 100 visitors to your site, you might expect one person to buy. One person to either make an inquiry or buy. Now, the problem with that is that means you need tons of traffic to your website. I'm meaning thousands of people potentially each and every month to get a really decent result from that marketing. And getting thousands of people to your site is bloody difficult, right? There's a lot of hard work involved. And so what people now do is use something called a marketing funnel. So let's draw a funnel on here so we can picture what this is going to be like. Terrible picture. That is a funnel, all right? So that is my best shot at a funnel. Now, a funnel is obviously bigger at the top and getting narrower at the bottom. And so first off, what you need to do is you need to get some content out there. So this is before they're in the funnel. So content is like this, right? Content is education, telling people, inspiring people, helping people, and letting people know about your products and services and how they can help them, right? And that goes out on LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, I don't care, wherever your audience are, you put your content out. Then you want to get them from the content into your marketing funnel. And we do that by capturing some leads, right? So we put a line across here. We're going to write capture. So we're going to capture some leads. So how do you capture leads? Well, you give something away. You give away a guide, report, discount voucher, get people to opt in for a training. There's tons of things that you can do to get leads in your business. And actually, if you want to get a list of them, in the description of this video is a link where you can grab my 30 best lead generation strategies. I actually put that in the description of all my videos now. Actually, that's how you'll get into my funnel as well, right? That's how you'll get into my funnel. Now, you're giving something away of pure value. So go and check out how I actually do it. It's easier to work it out then, right? So you're going to send them to a landing page. The landing page just has a guide, report, or a discount voucher like this. This is one that we give away, which is a customer avatar guide, which people download and they can fill that in and grow their business with that, right? So that's how you start the funnel. And so you're going to have lots of people that go in at the top, right? Loads and loads of people that go in at the top. Next, when you've captured some leads, you want to offer them something to buy, right? They need the chance to buy something. So you want to try and turn them into a customer. Now, not everyone's going to buy. Just because you're ready to sell to them, not everybody's going to buy. So one way we do it is we give away a guide like this one. And then when they take the guide, on the thank you page of the guide, you say, great, you want to get some faster results? Why don't you take this book? And they can grab a copy of the book. And you can do that too, actually. If you want a copy of this book, I'll give you one for free for watching this video. So in the description is a link to grab your copy of my new book, Expert Mastery, right? Now, this activates people as a customer. So they're going to spend something, not much. It might be a couple of pounds just to get them activated, because I know that selling books for a couple of pounds, I can't make a profit off of that. But what I can do is enough people will then trust me, they will get value from me, potentially want to work with me in the future. So I know my numbers. I know that if I give away 100 books, a certain amount of those people are going to want to buy something from me again in the future, right? So that's where we're going to turn them into a customer. Now, in some of our clients, they might not have a book, right? So they might sell a digital course, or they might just be a different type of business, like a service business, and they might get someone to book in for an appointment at this stage, right? They might book in, and so that would work with like someone, I'm trying to think of an example. So a graphic designer that we work with at the moment. So she has a guide on branding guidelines and stuff like that. Then she says, hey, look, why don't you book in for a strategy call on your branding and your marketing, right? And then at the end of the call, if they're a good fit, she says, well, look, if you want me to help you, then we can work together, right? And so at each stage, you're getting less people. Lots of people will take your guide. Less people will want to become a customer. Then you want to offer your core product or service, right? Whatever your core product or service is, this is where you're going to offer that to your clients, to your prospects, right? So I have my core product is a product called my Business Accelerator. And that's a 3-day program as well as an online program where I coach and mentor you guys on exactly how to get leads using the internet. And businesses have gone on to generate many millions in sales using that. So it's in a lot of demand, right? But I don't offer that here. If you want to buy my Business Accelerator now, you can't. There isn't a link below this video where I say, hey, go and enroll into my Business Accelerator. It's not an option because I'm very keen to work with people that I know I can help, right? So I want to have a conversation. I want to get to know you guys, and I'm quite selective on actually who I work with. And so that's important, that you make people jump through some hoops before they get the chance to potentially work with you. Don't work with everybody, right? Because some people will really drain you. You want to get enough leads that from that you can be selective and pick the best clients for your business. That's really, really important. Next, if they bought something from you, then you need to have extra products. So we need to continue to sell to people, right? We need to continue to sell to people. And so that's important. You need to make extra products and services that you can sell to your clients. And whatever business you're in, I'm actually well class at helping people create this. We call it a product ladder, right? And on the Business Accelerator, this is, we spent nearly half a day on working out what your products and services are going to be. An example, I worked with a homeopathist, right? And so she did homeopathy services and consultations, and she added a book. So at the lower end, she added a book, maybe for people that weren't near her or just wanted a bit more information on what is homeopathy. Next, she had digital courses, which she didn't have. We added that in. Then she added a retreat, right? A very expensive retreat and made nearly 10 grand profit each weekend that she ran that. And she wanted to do that. And then there's going to be one in Bali as well. So we'll work with you on working out additional products and services. My business didn't have this, right? Initially, I didn't have this stuff in there. I just had one product. And then over time, I added more products in. And that's where you get more profitable. Because if you don't, they're just going to buy it from someone else anyway, right? People like to buy, and they like to buy from people that they trust and got a relationship with. You're not forcing them to buy. You're just saying, Hope you got some value from this. You know, I also do this, and potentially some of them will want to work with you. And so obviously less people will be at each stage of the funnel, right? So you're starting with lots of prospects, then you're turning them into a customer. Less of those are buying your products and service, and even less of them will buy even more stuff from you, right? And that's your job. Your job is to take them through this funnel, right? And that's what we're really, really good at doing with the Business Accelerator. Now, look, if you found this useful, can you do me a quick favor? Please smash the like button on this video. That really helps me with YouTube. Comment below, let me know who you are. And if you want to have a way to get this implemented and really understand this, then grab a copy of this book, Expert Mastery, in the description while you're here. And at the end of the video, if you want some more video content on this, a video will come up around here, and that will have my 5-step system to get customers online. It's a YouTube video, it's an hour long, nothing for sale on it, just pure value. But if you're ready and you're saying, you know what, I am ready to grow my business, James, I'm one person that is an action taker, then let's have a call. Let's jump on a strategy call together. My team have got time set aside. So in the description of the video is going to be a link so you can book a strategy call with my team. And we will map out exactly the 5-step process. Now, this call is only for serious business owners that are ready to build this stuff out and get it implemented. The call is no charge, but at the end of the call, we'll give you a blueprint to grow your business. And if we feel we're a good fit and potentially we could work together, then we'll give you a chance to enroll in our Business Accelerator. Now, I say a chance to enroll because we recently had this lovely lady on who was quite upset she didn't get offered the chance to enroll on the Business Accelerator. And so it's not going to be everybody that gets the opportunity to work with us on the Business Accelerator. If you're not ready, we will still help you and we'll push you into where you need to be and guide you to where you need to grow to go and grow your business, but it's not for everyone, right? And so let's figure out if it's for you, and if you get a chance, then grab it with both hands, and I would look forward to helping you grow your business. Now, if you didn't do it earlier, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Comment, let me know who you are. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I hope that's been useful. Bye for now.